And we're live. Hi, welcome back. Okay, good. Mic's working. Hi, welcome back everyone to this YouTube video. We're gonna start continuing. We're just gonna continue. We're just gonna continue on our turbulence discussion. I mean our OpenFOAM discussion, and we have actually just gotten stuff working with this K equation, etc., etc. Next thing we want to try to work on is this, what do you call that? Let me stop this one. Yeah, doesn't need to, don't really need to do any more of this. Let's try doing the other one called the WALE equation. So I'm going to copy the Smugglerinsky case over because I think that's the most similar to the WALE. I can't remember what formulas it actually used, but let's just do it first. All right, let's do the WALE equation. Say pimple foam LES WALE. All right, so go 3 levels up. Go up and grep R WALE. Okay, where will we find it? We will find it in this channel 395. Okay, and of course the decay isoturbulence. That's one of the places you'll find it. Okay, so I'm going to CD to this. Let's go to turbulence properties, and you'll find lots of entries here. I'm not sure whether you really need all of this. Let's see. Let's go to the WALE. Okay, I mean, you don't really need all the entries there. Okay, you don't really need all the entries there. But yeah. Anyway, what WALE is good for is it basically tries to give you an accurate near wall profile for this turbulence. Okay. Yeah, it tries to give you a near wall profile, good near wall profile for turbulence. So yeah, let's go. Turbulence properties. Let's do WALE instead. WALE stands for Wall Adapting Local Eddy Viscosity Model. So yeah, that's what the purpose is here. And of course we can use this cube root volume here, and basically I think that will be enough unless you want to include the rest, because in case you want Van Dries coefficients, etc., etc., you can do all of this as well, but I don't think it's necessary. Okay, let's see whether the turbulence models file we were referring to has anything new. Yeah, it's just a cube root volume. You don't really need too much. So let's go and save and exit, and let's try running pimple foam with the WALE. Okay, I just exited by accident. LES WALE. Let's do pimple foam. See whether there's any kind of error. Apparently it runs again, so at least the FE solution is working correctly. So I'm going to stop this thing. Let's see whether there's anything in the WALE part. Okay, I'm going to go to channel 395. Apparently that uses the WALE model. So we can go to 0.original and we'll see a few things there. There's K, new T, new tilde. Yeah, there's K. There's new T, which uses a 0 gradient for top and bottom wall, but you might as well use a wall function. And there's new tilde. Alright, new tilde uses a top and bottom wall of 0. Okay, and we can see the 0 file as well. And then it has all these .gz files here. Okay, let's go to see whether ORAN is anything different. Okay, nope. Right, so we go to system and let's take a look at the FE solution file to see whether anything is new. Okay, looks like the variable of choice in the WALE model is the new tilde, very much like what the spotted armorer's model likes to use. Okay, I mean, at least in terms of the syntax, it's not the same, but looks like the new tilde is this choice. I mean, it is the variable of choice along with k. Okay, so all these entries are in here. Okay, let's see whether there's any other files that like to use the WALE model. CD tutorials, grep r WALE. So yeah, really that is it. there isn't much. There isn't much really to do with WALE. Yeah, so I think that's WALE. If you want to take a look at the source code, because I can't remember off the top of my head like what WALE actually kind of entails in terms of which variables to use, but you can take a look at the source code and at least you can see that you need to touch the new t variable, the k variable, and sometimes the new tilde variable as well. Okay, this is another lecture slide on the WALE model, and this is what some of the equations look like. It looks like it calculates new t along with some strain rate. Yeah, you can go and take a look more in my turbulence modeling video series. I briefly touched on the basic gist behind the WALE model. Okay, yeah. So let's see. Let's try to get this thing working. Hopefully not crash. Okay, so let's see. I want to go to this one, channel 395. CD channel 395. You go to the constant and all. You can go to the 0, or you can go to 0 original. Okay. Let me see what the all run does. They'll run block mesh first, then they'll run the thing straight away. So let's see, b.gz. What is all this? Oh, okay, this is a tensor field. Okay, k.gz. Oh, they give it an initial kind of a field. It's very interesting. They give it a they give it a initial field for k instead of the boundary condition itself. They give it an initial field. Okay, same for new t, same for new tilde. Okay, new tilde has no exact field there. P and U is pretty straightforward what they are, but looks like in the 0 directory in this channel 395, they give predetermined values, pre-calculated values, so as to start off the channel flow calculations. Okay, so that's what it does. Let's cd 0.original. Okay, let me see the constant file again. Anything I missed out? Okay, I was using this file, this terminal to take a look at this. So yeah, this is the WALE model. Alright, so I'm going to fiddle around a little bit more, then I'll just make some edits. So okay, looks like they do I mean, I'll just follow the practice of this tutorial case, that they have a bottom wall and top wall, what do you call it, fixed I mean, at the walls they just leave the values as the k values as 0, which kind of makes sense regardless of whether you use calculator or not. So I'll just follow suit. The rest I will just leave it as calculated. Right. Maybe this makes the simulation more stable. I'm not very sure, but okay. So I'll just leave it as a fixed value of 0. Okay, for the k. And okay, likewise here. Likewise for new t, I will have a 0 gradient at the top and bottom wall. Vi new t. Okay, so that actually I will use the new t wall function to do the job, because basically that will help you to provide a 0 gradient. Okay, more or less new t wall function should be sufficient. But I guess I guess I can just do that anyway. I'll just follow suit just to be safe. Okay, I'll follow suit to be safe, and let's take a look at new tilde. Okay, new tilde. New tilde uses a fixed value of 0. Okay, fixed value of 0 at the wall, which absolutely makes sense. Okay, let's any last check. Okay, I'll use a fixed value as the inlet condition. Okay, so that's about all I can glean from this tutorial case. Hopefully it works, but I mean, it's not crashing, it's not giving me any problems when it's calculating. So hopefully that's fine. But anyway, this set of boundary conditions at least helps you to get off the ground in terms of being able to calculate stuff. You only need new t, you need k, right? You need k and new t to do your calculations. Okay, because you look at the FV solutions, they do tell you I need to calculate 4 fields. One is p, one is u, one is k, and one is new tilde. Alright, these are the 4 things you need to calculate. Okay, FV schemes as well. Again, these 4 fields come up, and you have an actual B field here as well, which you may or may not need. As you can see, I did not put a B field down there, but the WALE model actually holds up pretty okay. But U, K, and new tilde, they have to be calculated, as well as P. The P will be under a different scheme. Okay, this is what you're basically calculating here. Shouldn't be too much of an issue. Alright, so hopefully that sort of covers it. At least you know where to look if you're not sure about the WALE model, and you know how to change the turbulence model syntax, and that's what's important. Okay, because it can be a bit confusing and intimidating if you're not very sure. Alright, so that covers pretty much most, if not all. Okay, most, if not all, of the turbulence models here, except this differential stress model. I did not cover that. I covered k omega SST, which is basically to cover these 3, Swallowed-Almaraz, and I covered the WALE dynamic K, the Lagrangian I did not, K equation, and Smagorinsky. So these template files should be enough to get you started. Yeah, so I'll stop for now. Basically I'll probably go on discussing about other stuff next time. But yeah, hopefully this last 3 to 4 videos will help you to see how to develop your own files with different turbulence models. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.